holiday season. So come with us. We're gonna go to our food trip. Yeah. For this video, magpo-food trip lang talaga kami kung saan-saan. Mag-explore ng mga cafes. So, let's go! So guys, here, yan, nag-check-in muna kami sa aming staycation home. Yeah, dito lang to, malapit lang to sa Singapore, here in Johor Bahru, Malaysia. So, mag-check-in lang, then let's go for our brunch. Here's our room. Yeah, we got a big, huge room with two queen size bed. Yeah, not bad ang room namin. Super big and very clean. Yeah. Ano lang to, stay home dito sa Johor. So, let's go again for our food trip. First things first, ayan, nag-google lang kami kung saan and where to go to the like Instagrammable cafe. So, we found this. Yeah, the Founders Cafe. Yeah, napakaganda niya at ang daming youngsters. Yeah, youngsters customer ang target nila dito. So, ayan, nagustuhan ng mga girls ko. We need to queue for a while kasi maaga pa lang, super aga pa lang, mga 10 o'clock pa lang, madami na talagang customer. And we got to queue around 15 minutes. Ayan, nakakuha na kami ng table. And we're gonna go to our table now. Napakalaki niya. Isa siyang building na ginawang cafe. Ayan. Tingin lang siya, guys. Cute siya. Maganda siya. Ang dami niyang customer. Busy talaga siya. At yung mga nagsiserve, super youngsters talaga. Kita niyo naman yung mga customers. Ang babata at mga naghahanap talaga ng mga cafes na tulad nito. So, first, ayan, umorder ako nito. Caramel. Hindi ko na alam, basta ayan, maganda yan. At masarap yan. Supposed to book coffee. So, ayan, si Naira na ang nag-crack ng kanyang brulee sa top. And here naman, ayan yung sa akin, yung order ko, English breakfast yan. Malaki ang portion ng food niya. Actually, pwede siyang sharing. Ayan, quesadilla. Ayan, favorite ni Naira. Ayaw niyang makipag-share sa napakalaking huge portion na yan. So, tig-isa sila kasi gusto rin ni Irish. Malaki siya. Good for sharing for 2 or 4. Ayan. Pero, nagtig-isa sila. And then, yung sa husband ko naman, Baguio burger with sweet potato. So, guys, explore natin. Meron pa sila ritong mga extended cafes behind kasi nga napakalaki. You can order cakes and breads. Ayan, ang dami. May cakes, may muffins, all. You can order and good for takeout also. Meron din silang mga ice creams. Ayan. Ikita nyo. Talagang nila yung bagels. Bagels yan, guys. Different flavors. You can buy and take out. Yan. For takeaway daw siya. Umorder lang kami ng konti. And guys, let's go for dinner. So, for dinner, we choose to go for a shell out. Yeah, nag-google lang din kami. Marami kaming nakita, pero ito yung medyo nagustuhan namin, ang Shells and Pins. Ayan, Shells and Pins Restaurant. Shell out siya. Seafoods and all. Ayan, let's go. So guys, ayan, naka-order na kami. And here's our food. Meron siyang crab, prawn, and some shells and fish. And ginawa namin iba-ibang variant ng flavor ng pagkaluto niya. Merong chili crab, merong egg, ano ba yan? Basta, ayan, marami siyang flavors ng pagkalutong pinagawa namin. So guys, ayan ang aming shell out for dinner. Masarap siya. Let's go and eat. Everybody is happy. Ayan. Nilagay ko lang sa time-lapse ang aming pagkain ng shell out kasi medyo, ayan, busy na sa pagkain. Masarap siya. And enjoy the moment with family. It's time like this. Family is life. Ayan. So, thank you for watching, guys. Ayan. Kumakain pa rin kami. Ayan, sinolo ko ang video sa aking pagkakain. So guys, ayan na. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. More to go pa yan. Diyan lang kayo. Stay tuned. Hi guys, good morning. This is our next day. Yan. Naghanap lang kami ng cafe. Dito lang to sa loob ng mall for our brunch. Ayan, nakita namin itong Manzanita. Maganda yung ambience ng coffee shop niya. Yung cafe niya, masarap. Yung mga coffee niya, ayan. Ito, supposed to be for Najib coffee. Yung latte niya, yung green tea latte. And then, si Naira, nag-order siya ng English breakfast. Ayan, yung food niya. Tapos, iba-iba na kami ng in-order ng food. Si Irish, meron siyang, hindi ko alam kung anong food niya, pero masarap siya. Then, ako, syempre, ito yung coffee ko.
The sauce?
I had my coffee first, yung macchiato latte. And favorite ko yan. So guys, thank you for watching for today's video. See you guys all soon. Bye bye, mama. Enjoy your holidays. Bye.